Hi, this is The Sound of the Crowd. I saw it and I loved it. My attention truly piqued as hundreds, sometimes thousands, came to hear an old man speak. Generations of my family standing side by side as a grey-haired fellow talked of hope with passion and with pride. It's what I'd hoped for all my life, although it seemed unlikely, to find that I was not alone, that others thought just like me. That's why I find it hard to bear, so tough to understand, that no one wants to take that hope and spread it across our land. There are many of us out here. I know now I'm not alone. We thousands, maybe millions, need a movement to call home. And maybe soon we'll meet again and show we give a damn, and find ourselves inspired by an old man who makes jam. Thanks very much.